Here you will need like 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, and then green chilies for garnish, and then 1 medium or small size onion. And then I pre-cook the beef in the pressure cooker to make it soft or tender. And then you will also need calamansi. That is calamansi, inigana namin, nilagay lang sa bote ng honey, and then toyo, soy sauce, and fresh ground. Now the beef is already cooked and it is already soft. So we can start stir frying this beef. Cook the onion and set it aside. And then roast the garlic, toasted garlic. Set that aside as well. Now you can stir fry the beef. And then after that, you can put all the garnish, the garlic, the onions, and the chilies, and put the soy sauce and calamansi. This is the finished product, and I ran out of time already, so I didn't show you how I put all these garnishes and the condiments. So for the condiments, for the measurement of condiments, I put the soy sauce, like 8 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then 2 to 3 tablespoons of calamansi. And then that's it. I hope you like my video, and please thumbs up. Bye!